What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S21 is no longer interesting. A very beautiful unboxing. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. More than 6 months before the official announcement, high quality unofficial renders and 3D renderings. Samsung Electronics recently announced the date for the announcement of the Galaxy S21 series of smartphones. Meanwhile, the reputable resource Let's Go Digital decided to unpack the next flagship Galaxy, which will be presented closer to the fall. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Coming in the video, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G latest premium design, advanced features, specs, price, release date, and much more. Please watch the full video content. These are not official renders, but materials created for clarity. The visualization was done by Italian designer who goes by the nickname Snowrain and joined the Let's Go Digital team over a year ago. According to the source, the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 Ultra will retain the 6.9 inches diagonal of its predecessor and AMOLED screen with QHD Plus resolution and a configurable refresh rate from the image up to 120 Hz. The maximum frequency will be available for maximum resolution, not just Full HD, as was the case with the last year's Galaxy S20 and Note 20 smartphones. The brightness will be increased from 1500 to 1600 kN/m2. The screen edges will be curved instead of flat like the Galaxy S20 line. The smartphone will not be transferred. The metal frame and gloss panels will remain, and of course, S Pen compatibility will remain, including a dedicated compartment on the body where the stylus can automatically recharge. The Samsung Galaxy Note 21 Ultra has an improved front-facing camera, possibly 40 megapixels, with the ability to switch to 10 megapixels in tough shooting conditions. There is no exact information regarding the main camera lens yet. You can also confidently expect the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 platform for the US and the Exynos 2100 for Europe, but hope for a 3.5mm headphone jack and a slot for micro SD memory card is not worth it. Other phone specifications, features, and exact price and launch date of the smartphone is not officially disclosed. But according to some rumors, the future Galaxy Note 21 Ultra 5G will launch before August 2021. And it will be priced around $1,300. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.